Hi guys, so the first part of this video, this is a disclaimer, is a little bit off. I was using a different camera to record the first minute of this video. I didn't have my big camera ready, but I really wanted to come in and show you guys this black, green and gold Jamaican inspired hair and makeup look. I'm using hair paint wax on my hair. Now, I've used hair paint wax before. It's actually a product that I really like, and I use it when I want to do like a temporary color. So I had my braids in, I took them out, but I haven't washed my hair or anything. It's just still sectioned in these twists. So I decided, since I'm going to wash my hair anyways, to use the hair paint wax on my hair to give like a green and gold kind of look for my hair. So I'm actually putting in the green now, and then I'm going to go in with the gold, and I'm going to leave the black, my black hair as the black in the flag. So it's black, green and gold inspired. It is our Independence Day today, so I really wanted to come in and, you know, do this fun, quick look for you guys so that you know, for your enjoyment. So that is how my hair looks when I added the hair paint wax to it. And now we're going to move on to our makeup. Alright, so for this makeup look, I am adding my calamine lotion as my base primer. I'm using this because I did want to do like a little DIY photo shoot. You know me extra already, whatever. I wanted to do a DIY photo shoot, so I am using the primer because I don't want to sweat a lot. And when I don't want to sweat a lot, that is what I use. So I'm moving on to my brows that need to be groomed. I haven't groomed my brows since last year. I line them with some brown pencil eyeliner, and I fill them in with a darker color eyeliner, just to give it that effect, you know. And I am outlining my eyes with my concealer, LA Girl Pro Conceal. Yes, I still use it. It is still effective. You can use whatever you want to use, but at this me plan for use this time around. So I'm just sharpening up my brows, you know, the usual. I will be coming out with a brow routine because I need to groom my brows. My brows are disappointing at this point. Like, this is not me. So I'm going in with my Juvia's Place concealer, not concealer, foundation. I'm going in with the foundation, and I am applying it with a sponge, as you see, just applying it all over my skin. I really like this foundation. It's very easy to use, and I like the coverage that it gives. A little does go a long way. I'm also using my Juvia's Place concealer just to do the highlight. I'm not doing anything too excessive. I'm highlighting underneath my eyes, my nose, my chin, and my forehead. You know how it go already. And I'm blending it out with a sponge. I really like this concealer also. Like, Juvia's Place is one of the best makeup brands that you can actually invest in on a budget. If you're on a budget, you need Juvia's Place, especially for beginners. Anyway, so I am blending this out, and I love the way it blends too. It's not too watery and it's not too thick. It's just right. So I'm going in with a little bit of contour, Juvia's Place concealer as well, and then I am blending that out with a sponge. Now, I feel like with me, base is my chef's kiss moment when it comes to makeup. I can do a bomb base, and it took me a really long time to master this skill, but I feel like I know how to do base down pat with my eyes closed, girl. So I am applying some airspun powder underneath my eyes, and then I'm going in with a bronzer to blend out that contour that I am doing. After that, I'm going in with my all over face powder, which is actually MAC Studio Fix. I still use it because I still really like it. My blush, of course, is by Milani. Nothing special there. And after all of that, I am setting my face with some e.l.f. setting spray. So I'm using all Juvia's palettes today, and I'm going in with that brown color to actually help with the transition. Afterwards, I'm going in with that green color. I don't know the names or anything, but I show you the palettes that I'm using. This green is so pigmented. I was actually so surprised. I don't even have a white base on my eyes. Like, you don't need a white base. These colors will show up. I love Juvia's Place. And then I'm going in with some black at the outer corners just to give it my eyes some depth, you know, and to stay in the theme black, green and gold, which are the colors of the Jamaican flag. And in the center of it all, I'm applying this really pretty dark gold color to tie in this whole festivity of black, green and gold. And the key to all of this is a blending. Girl, you need to blend like your life depends on it, or else it's not gonna look good. I blended, and I blended off camera, and I blended some more. You need to blend this look. So I am highlighting my brow bone with a little matte white eyeshadow, and I'm going into my waterline with the green. I was gonna put some gold under there, but I said, sure, I can't bother. And I just apply the green. Off camera, I did my eyeliner and my lashes, which is always a struggle for me, and I am using my Maybelline Studio Fix as a highlighter on my cheeks. And looking back at this footage, like, my eyes look so big. Like, I don't even, like, when people tell me I have big eyes, I don't believe. But then looking at this video, damn, my eyes are huge. So I'm going in with my Juvia's Place lip liner. I love this lip liner. It's really, really creamy. And I'm going in with my all-time favorite Sasha Lip Velvet to give me an ultimate nude look. Whenever I'm doing nude, that's what I go for. And I'm just putting a little gloss over it, just so it can stand out a little bit, so we can have a nice little pout and whatever. And now my hair, I'm actually going to just take it out and wear a twist out. So this is the look. I'm wearing my Usain Bolt Jamaica shirt, which I absolutely love. My hair came out great. I love the pops of green, I love the pops of gold, and my black just complements everything. This is really a festive look, and I really enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you did also, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you love videos like these. As always, enough love, be with yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can see the photos from my DIY photo shoot. Love you guys, and thanks for the support.